So welcome to Blizzard 2016 in Virginia. As you can see, our complex has done their very best to put the snow in places, but there's no real safe place to put it. This is a hill going up to our dumpster, and there is no clear path. So some cars are completely blocked in. Yesterday we had a fire truck stuck right here and couldn't get out. So welcome to Snowmageddon. Say hi, Mesa.
Hey.
Shoveling.
Yeah.
Shoveling cars out. That's mine. The next one is Melissa's, and the next one's a poor PT Cruiser that got snowed in by the fire truck that came yesterday. They put all the snow. That poor person's never gonna get out. You can't even see that it's a car underneath that mound over there. People are getting stuck in the middle of the road. Sure will be fun today. Lily's over here eating snow, so she don't mind the weather. So she's sitting here just eating snow. Doesn't matter to her. And her coat. Oh, look, snowball.
Come on.
We love catching snowballs.
Get a snowball. Oh, you missed it.
Where's the snowball? Oh, Miss is gonna throw a snowball. Yay! Patrick tried to catch it. Where's the snowball?
Lily, one more. Lily.
See, I'm distracted by people, Mommy. Ah! Oh, poor Blackjack got hit.
Got you. Hey, baby, go for it. Go.
So as you can see, Lily loves the snow. Blackjack not so much. So Blackjack needs a coat because his coat is not insulated. His fur coat is not insulated. So he needs a little bit of warmth to keep him from getting too cold. Lily's coat, she was out here yesterday with the blizzard, and she was all warm and cozy, and her adder coat was catching the snow. That's the husky in her who's keeping herself all nice and warm. So she doesn't mind the cold one bit. Now if it gets really, really cold, I'll put a jacket on her too, but just to go out and play in the snow, she'd prefer to have nothing on. This is a little itty bitty car. And all that is snow. Yeah. Lily just wants to go play. Lily's favorite thing is to put her nose in the snow. As you can see right here on her nose, she likes to put her face in the snow. And then Blackjack too. Blackjack, come here. Yay! Oh, wrestle time. He's more agile in the snow to stay away. Blackjack, you got some snow in your nose too? Yep. Snow in the nose. And see over here, that's usually where we take them to go potty. And that fence is probably about 6 foot tall. And the snow, because of the drifts, is all the way to the top. See people's decks over there? They're completely filled with snow. All the way past the railing. Don't mind the jerking. The jerking is the dogs pulling me because they're running and playing. I get to play with the dogs and Melissa gets to shovel. Probably not a good partnership. Run, run, run. Come on this way. Come on. Run, run, run. Gotta make sure they're just like kids. Even though they're still running around and still playing, they might be getting cold. tell they're brother and sister pups because they wrestle with teeth bared and then they're fine. Watch it. Hi, Lily. Hi. Hi. Arr. Arr. Get him. Get your brother. Get him. Arr. She likes to push her nose right down into the snow. They got a big old cat clearing the snow here. If the plows can't get through, they gotta use that to clear up the snow. I think they have a snowblower doing the sidewalks. I think Blackjack might just about be done in the snow. He's staying over there where there's not that much snow. Come sit in the sun. Come here. Come in the sun. It's warmer. Hi. How are you? You like to watch the kids play in the snow too? Yeah. Blackjack's sitting on my lap. I guess because it's warmer. So maybe I'll bring them inside and come back out and help Missa shovel a little bit. Say bye! Bye from Blizzard 2016!